going back to the process planning side. So what you're seeing here on the right is starting to the assembly planning, right? So you can then take this process planning and you can replicate it. So it can be visible to multiple sites where you can reuse this process planning, right? And best practices is what works. And maybe you're taking in a different EBOM, MBOM, and you're applying that same bill of process to that EBOM, MBOM, because maybe it's just a size of a wing. So the step-by-step process on that bill of process, you're pulling in just a different EBOM and an MBOM. Therefore, that bill of process lives on to be able to replicate and reuse that process because it's been a validated routing and sequence. It's had great material consumption traceability, tool usage, inspection plan. So really now you have a faster NPI, you have early identification of issues that might have come up when you first built the larger wing, and now you're going to go down and you're going to build a smaller wing or a smaller vessel or whatever that finished subassembly might be. Overall, then you're going to drive improved quality and collaboration across the organization, all working within the same module.